Hi. So last time we looked at the average HoNOS score on admission to inpatient units, and this time I wanted to look at what the average HoNOS score was on discharge from inpatient units. So we go and have a look at the WDST, national age group. We're going to stick with adults, the HoNOS, total score. We're not looking at change over time, which would be an episode transition. We're looking at collection occasion, on discharge rather than admission, and we're going to look at inpatient units. And we're going to start right back from the beginning of the collection. So I'm unchecking the last 3 years. The WDST automatically by default reports the last 3 years of the collection, but I want to go back to the very beginning and have a look at the average HoNOS total score on discharge. Gee, not a lot of observations in that first year, but we've got an average of 5.7. So I'm going to download that CSV file, and I'm going to use the information in there and combine it over a number of years, over the last 15 years basically. So I'm going to go back, I'm going to uncheck the first year, I'm going to have a look at the second year. Volume's increased, so is the average, and I'm going to continue that process to put together the average HoNOS total score over the life of the collection. Okay, so here we go, the last 2014, 2015 discharge, average HoNOS total score is 6.3. It might seem a bit of a laborious process, but it actually doesn't really take that long, and you can get some really interesting information. So after that process, we've got the average HoNOS score on discharge from inpatient units over a 15-year period, and you can see it's pretty stable over that period of time. But I wonder if outcomes varies. Let's have a look at that next time, shall we?